Okay, this is the second part of momentum and energy and collisions, the conservation of energy. So we're going to be doing an inelastic collision. So this is where they impact each other. So again, the initial velocity of the second cart here will be 0 since it's starting at rest. So its initial momentum 0. So let's go ahead and try this one and see the difference from the first part. So notice the second cart didn't stop as it did in the elastic collision. It still had some velocity, therefore some momentum. So the conservation of momentum, the final conservation of momentum must include the sum of the momentum of both carts. So we have to measure the velocity of that second cart, and we notice that second cart moved through the gate quite slowly. Again, there's some friction, and then we can see the data here on the file. Okay, so we noticed that there was 2 final velocities, one for cart 1, one for cart 2. The sum of those should be roughly equal to the initial velocity of cart 1. Now again, as we saw on the first part, it's not completely equal. The sum of the final velocities is slightly less than the initial velocity of cart 1, also due to friction. Now this lab has been done on air tracks before to reduce friction, but we're doing it here just as out of convenience. Alright, so now we'll be ready to look at the third experiment, on the third type of collision on this experiment.